When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Family Law Group for a consultation at 628-2550. The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.
If I had $1 for every time couples call me and say this is an uncontested divorce, it's easy, we have no assets, we have 2 kids, and we're all in agreement on everything. But the thing is there's always a punch list. And what the traditional family law firms don't do is think their way through with those clients on the punch list. And in my experience, and what I've observed, is the ones who have the kind of experience that I have charge too much money. I mean, they don't need to be paying the rates that I've surveyed and the rates that I'm aware that attorneys with my level of experience charge people who are in agreement with the terms of their divorce. And the reason is they just need a little bit of hand-holding, a little bit of guidance to deal with the punch list. How do we deal with refinancing the house? How do we deal with selling the house? I've got a leftover tax issue. How do we deal with that? We don't believe that standard possession will work for us, but my husband's a firefighter. How do we deal with that? All these kinds of everyday issues I bring to the table and assist people how to work their way through it and keep their agreements and keep their divorce on an amicable solution, to make it a dignified resolution. The reason is because I've tried them in court. I know how it's going to turn out if you go in and try this or you try that or you go in that direction. I know what judges will do, I know what they'll sign and what they won't sign, and you combine that with my knowledge of the law and the family code, that makes for a very powerful ally when you're a couple who can communicate, you're willing to be transparent, and you're willing to be the big kids, if you will, and work it out.
When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Family Law Group for a consultation at 628-2550. The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.